Imagine making over $5,000 a month without a college degree, just from a side hustle. In 2025, it's not just possible. It's easier than ever. Let's dive into the top 5. Tired of working long hours and still struggling financially? Good news. 2025 is the best time to start a side hustle. And you don't need a degree to succeed. Here are the top 5 side hustles you can start right now. 1. Freelance AI services. AI is booming. You can offer services like AI content writing, chatbot setup, or AI video editing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for AI experts. Even beginners can start. Potential: $2,000, $6,000 a month once you build a client base. 2. Print-on-demand business. Design simple t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and sell them online. You don't need to hold inventory. Websites like Printify and Etsy handle it for you. Potential: $1,500, $5,000 plus month with viral designs. 3. YouTube automation channels. Start a YouTube channel where you don't even show your face. You can outsource voiceovers, scripts, and video editing at a low cost, and earn from ads, sponsorships, and merch. Potential: $3,000, $10,000 plus month once monetized. 4. Virtual assistant VA. Businesses need online help now more than ever. As a VA, you can manage emails, schedule meetings, do research, and more, all remotely. Potential: $2,500, $7,000 a month depending on your skills. 5. Selling digital products. Create digital downloads like books, templates, or online courses. Once made, they sell automatically without any extra work. True passive income. Potential: unlimited. Some sellers make over $10,000 a month. Which side hustle sounds the most exciting to you? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real money ideas in 2025.